Esishak lu atukotona Iwongonet kosinia kesi lolo apotu itegasi Aingito kech na awasha Aingito ngin na da Aibokina esishaka lu edolete ilukumina kwatauni akaisangon alu kanyangon akwatangon akaisangon alu kany nesi itegarta lolo
Paso Soroti ya soke de center siare ya center do petelo Soroti. That is use 0024 center 1 Boikino said we were 499. Koyelo lo center when we yare kesema mete ma Boikina. Out of 499 only 497. This is Boikina or center lo Soroti. So the center lo yare lo rai U2501. We just get it we akwata reke na kasaka nika yare. Neni da idu yare kesema mete. Idu akwata reke la kasaka nkedeka kesi eja so center go itama so ado ndo kilikecha uriaka ado na boy polo ndo tidio ndo koje mamedo ya domuna aneja se uri akata wale rasmi diwe ndo poto audio saudi ore iche alo sa che sa tino so di yare apesuare apotu
Charles Peter Opolot Loda Ipolokit Aina petanu airere Aingito na kayuneb Soroti Secondary School Ngese balebe Aingito ngin Nesi Elocity ejok
Popolana studied geography paper 1 Giona popole bit late Konye alomutika due Yalama se due Boro kierda comfortable Sajanga moral bonube ipodika dua some jok
Esishak Loda Aibokin Aingito ngin Kesi enera sikwanata
Ali hapa pula do tila jasila para kajasila chone koni nepeni konye jamu adope.
The way I've done the paper, I think the paper is very simple because I've got all the things that have been ready.
According to Akapapla, atamiti very much. In fact, I could do all the numbers, like 5 numbers. I could do all atamiti very much.
We have not had a major incidents except we have one student at Samuel. The boy is a bit, I think he has lost his head, is mentally affected. So although he's trying to write, but he writes with difficulty. And no, the unfortunate thing when I think the parent looks to be reluctant about it.
Eso kwape ari nesi wadi kat esishakule rasi ilukumina kaisara indiop kanu Aibokin Aingito ngin okaruka lo Gabriel Esiku Kanuka TV East Koibuga Soroti.